in the snow.
Yeah, we'll play after lunch we eat, okay? Mga silingan. Nadula sila snow. We're gonna play later. It's still snowing a little bit.
Nose is there.
My car is covered with snow.
Yeah. But daddy used your car and he wiped it all off.
Oh, they cleared the road. Hi guys! Maglalaro kami sa snow. Hi Moses!
Let's go put my monkey.
Rosemary, wait for Mama! Okay, go over there. Yeah, I know. It's okay. Just slow down. Ang bahay namin. My car was covered with snow, so Daddy. Moses, can you help Mommy? Serious, maybe. Rosemary, Aya. Aya. Junior, you okay?
Yeah.
Hi, David. Fix your hat. Yeah.
Hey, Mama, let's build a snowman.
Yeah. Come on, come on. Teka.
Mama, let's build a old snowman.
Mga ano,
Mom, let's build
like
a old snowman.
like 6 inches deep. Hi, Promise. Say hello.
Hello.
Be careful, Promise, okay?
Messi.
Yeah. Oh, there's a big snowman over there, guys. Your dad and your mom made it? That's cool. Look at that, guys. It still have like snowstorm a little bit. Yeah, the mountains right there. Yeah, go play with Rosemary. Hi, David. Look at that. Look at our feet. Junior. Look at our feet. Wow, that's so cool. It's a snowstorm. It's a snowstorm. Junior, get up. You okay? There, come on. Look at that, guys. It's so cool. Look at, I'm heavy. Look at our footprints over there. Come on, go, 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 go.
What?
Not at all. Cold. Hindi ako nag-wear ng glove kasi I wanna feel the snow. It's very like soft and fluffy. Yoo! Woo! 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 That was fun! Yan, nag-melt na siya, guys. Oh. Dito siya sa tapat ng tree. Yan. Yung tree medyo siya may icicle siya. Konti. We're gonna play here. I'm gonna show you guys the beautiful view at the back of our house. Hindi ako makapag-live, guys, kasi nasa labas ako. Mahina ang signal. So I'm just make a short video. Medyo mainit dito ng side. Kasi wala siyang shadow. Yeah, remember last year we play here? Yeah. Right? Follow mommy. You wanna go inside? Take a break? Let's go inside? No? Okay. Gusto pa niya maglaro. Look at our shoes. Pumasok na yung snow sa shoes. We go toes. We go toes. Medyo malamig na. Ooh, ano siya, soft. Para lang siyang cotton candy. Pero medyo mabigat siya. Kasi nga water. Yan, nag-snowstorm na naman doon. Kita nyo guys. Yan. Bumuhos na naman yung ano, yung hangin. Let's go. We go back inside. I'm getting cold na. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Ooh. Pauwi na kami sa bahay. Let's go. We're having fun play. Yeah. It's a beautiful day. Bukas wala nang hindi na mag-snow bukas. Kahapon lang at saka today. It's snow. Yeah. Oh no, our plants. Pero okay naman tong plants na to guys kasi nakasurvive siya sa ano cold weather. So it's good. Ng mga bata naglalaro sila doon. They don't feel cold. They get used to the cold weather. Right, Rosemary? You okay? Yeah, I have to clean Rosemary. Let's get inside now. We're gonna go inside.
I want to go play.
You're okay, you play here.
I want to play.
Okay, I have to go get water, okay? Promise. Come here. Sobrang ganda guys. Fort Huachuca, Arizona. My Rosemary here. What are you doing? Oh, you play the light. Yeah. This is the flashlight, right? Yeah.